This video is completely made with AI. Whoa! This right here is why most people never get traction online. But this guy nailed it. Let me explain why this is so real, especially if you're stuck in a 9 to 5 or tried side hustles that failed. I was not in the video. It was completely AI made. And I'm going to show you how we made it, why we made it, and how we make money with AI. Let's go.
Have you ever wondered why Elon Musk always brings his son A12 everywhere? From high-profile political meetings to private Tesla and SpaceX events, his presence is constant. But beneath this seemingly innocent father-son bond lies something far deeper. Something that could reshape our understanding of Musk's true vision. Is this about legacy, control, or something else?
Is this for real? Are you watching this video with me? I mean, how is this possible? He's one of the richest men on earth, and he has 7 trillion kids. He can afford to retire anytime, and he can afford to have any number of kids, even without getting married. You and me are watching his story made up by someone else. You see these video clips going on? Somebody made up a story and put these clips together to get our what is that? Who can say? It's called attention. This same attention that is making Amazon billions. This is my Amazon cart and around $70 worth of products waiting to get bought by me. And I'm going to press the buy button. You know what is going on here? My attention. I'm looking at the products. I'm selecting from their quality, like these coffee beans. Matina Coffee Forte roasted coffee beans 1 kg. I'm gonna consume those coffee and make videos. Bismillah. The same exact video that this guy is making. Why? Attention, my friend. Attention. Look at Neil Patel. He's probably a multi-9-figure entrepreneur. Not 6, not 7, not 8, multi-9-figure.
If you're not taking advantage of these AI opportunities in 2025, you're missing out.
Yeah, you're missing out. And he's telling you by spending his time on making those videos. Yeah, a couple of years back, he never made a single video. But now he makes videos everywhere. You can find Neil Patel in every social media channel. Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Let me show you something interesting. This is Grok, Elon Musk's AI platform. I'm going to have a chat with it. Hey Grok, tell me, how can I become a businessman like Elon Musk?
To become a businessman like Elon Musk, focus on a few key principles. First, develop a big vision. Think about solving massive problems, like sustainable energy or space travel. Dive deep into learning. Musk taught himself rocket science, so read, research, and master your field. Take risks, and don't fear failure. Start small, test ideas, and learn from flops. Build a strong work ethic. Musk's known for intense dedication, often working 100-hour weeks. Surround yourself with smart-driven people who share your goals. Finally, stay adaptable. Pivot when needed, like Musk did with Tesla or SpaceX. It's a tough path, but persistence and curiosity are your best tools. What specific area are you thinking about tackling?
I don't know. I spend most of my time watching other people's videos. You tell me, where should I start?
All right, since you're spending a lot of time watching videos, let's use that as a springboard. Start by shifting what you watch. Swap out entertainment for content that sparks ideas or teaches skills, like TED Talks, startup stories, or tutorials in something you're curious about, like coding, design, or marketing. Pick one area that grabs you, maybe tech, e-commerce, or even content creation itself. Next, set a small goal. Spend 30 minutes a day learning or experimenting with that skill instead of scrolling. Try building something tiny, like a website, a product mockup, or a social media account around your interest. Test it, share it, get feedback. The key is to move from consuming to creating, even if it's messy at first. What's one topic or skill you've always wanted to dig into?
I got the inspiration I needed. Thank you so much. Here is something interesting. In Grok, you cannot have a voice conversation on your computer, but you can do it on your phone. And then when you come back to your desktop, you search for that conversation and you will not find it. That is bad. But that's how Grok works. Okay, we're on Claude right now. I have analyzed this video because I want to learn the 7 AI business ideas that will make me a millionaire by 2025. I'm already a millionaire, alhamdulillah, but I want to make a couple more millions. Why not? But the good news is I don't want to be a millionaire alone. At any point of this video, if you think that it's way too technical, or you are busy right now, or you are just generally busy and you don't have a lot of time to try things yourself, then I have a good news that we have a 99% done for you program for busy beginners just like yourself. Go to this website, moshbari.com, or scan this QR code and you will be taken to this training video. Watch this training video from start to end and you will learn everything about digital marketing. You will learn why these people make videos, and you will learn about the exact 3 steps that the beginner members of our 99% done for you program take in order to make these juicy $500, $947, $900, $650, $300, $200 commissions. And the best of the best part, this program is 99% done for you. It means we do 99% of the work and our beautiful members take only 1% of the responsibility. And they all started from browsing this website and watching this video. This is not just another sales pitch, it's a training video itself. So what's stopping you? I put the link in the bio, in the description, in the caption, and in the comment as well. And if you don't find anything, just go to moshbari.com. Now, in order to analyze this video of Neil Patel, I used a very special prompt to first take all the possible notes from the video. Here are 2 important things. You don't need millions of dollars to win with AI in business. And number 2, don't try to compete with big companies like making your own ChatGPT. Look for simple AI opportunities that most people ignore. For example, this prompt. Hey Grok, do you think it's possible to make money selling AI prompts?
Absolutely. You can make money selling AI prompts. There's a growing market for well-crafted prompts. Think of them as recipes for tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. Businesses, creators, and developers pay for prompts that save time or produce specific results, like writing ad copy, generating art, or coding. You could sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or PromptBase, where prices range from a few bucks to hundreds for niche or complex prompts. The trick is finding a target audience, say marketers or e-learning creators, and designing prompts that solve their problems. Start by experimenting with free prompts, get feedback, and refine them. Got any ideas for a niche you'd want to try, like creative writing or business tools?
No, my first concern is how to get traffic, how to get customers.
Getting traffic and customers for selling AI prompts boils down to a few practical moves. First, leverage platforms with built-in audiences, like PromptBase, Etsy, or Creative Fabrica. Post your prompts there to tap into existing traffic. Next, create valuable content to draw people in. Share free sample prompts or quick how-to videos on social media like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, showing what your prompts can do. Engage in communities like Reddit or niche forums, where your target audience hangs out, like marketers or designers, and offer helpful tips or freebies to build trust. Use simple SEO tactics. Add relevant keywords like AI prompts for marketing to your listings or website to attract organic searches. Finally, consider low-cost ads on Google or X to target specific groups, but start small to test what works. Experiment, tweak based on feedback.
Did you notice it did not say about Meta ads? It said Google ads and X ads. Haha, now you know that Elon is smart. He doesn't give a single chance to his rivals. But we're watching his video on Meta because, first of all, this video wasn't made by him. It was made by someone who makes videos to get traffic. And I am making this video using other people's video. Let's say I'm talking about the guy who made Elon Musk's video, and now I'm talking about the 7 AI business ideas that is originally created, recorded, and published by Neil Patel. And I even sidetracked to my own prompt, and I showed you that selling prompt can be a business by using AI. And I have been showing you everything through AI. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. If you have this phone and your phone has this little feature called camera and you are not making money using it, then you are simply leaving money on the table. Remember, you don't need millions of dollars and you don't try to compete with big companies ever in any business, in anything. If you can find out anything that solves a problem, that can be a product that you can sell. But the biggest problem still remains, and that is traffic. Now, if a multi-nine-figure business owner, Neil Patel, can make videos every day, and pages like this can make videos about Elon Musk or other people, and ultimately push out content every single day, what is stopping you exactly? Okay, you don't know how to make videos, right? I'll show you how to make videos with AI. Let's go. I'm going to take one of the shorts by Neil Patel that got a lot of views. So I have been browsing and I found this one video got 14,000 views.
If I had to start over, this is how I would learn digital marketing. The first platform that I would start on as a beginner is actually social media.
Okay, stop. I don't need to watch everything. I just need to copy the video ID. Then I'll go to youtube.com/watch?v equals the ID and hit enter.
If I had to start over, this is how.
Then I again do not need to watch the video. Maybe I can watch later. I'll just need the script, the transcript, and I got it. Now I will go to ChatGPT and I will start my Rant V 1.0 custom GPT and click start. It asks for my audience. What is my goal of the reaction video or the rant video? And it asks for the video transcript or summary, whatever I can provide. So first I will copy the whole transcript. Then I will go to ChatGPT and use dictation. My audience are the people who have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business and they want a side hustle. They want financial freedom. They want to retire early. Most of the time they hate their jobs, but their biggest challenge is money. They have been trying for a long time, but they never succeeded. And the main reason for that is lack of trust and lack of consistency in whatever they try. Answer to the question number 2. My goal for the reaction video is to build trust and authority and also subtly promote my 99% done for you program, which teaches people high-ticket affiliate marketing, which also means how to earn $500 to $1,000 commissions with affiliate marketing, with free traffic, without a lot of investment, without a lot of risk, without creating own product and even website. But the promotion should be very subtle. It should be congruent to what I am saying and what I am reacting on. And before we promote the program, we should create a clear bridge with the video that we are reacting on. Now I'm going to say video transcript. Then I put the video transcript and all I'm going to do is hit enter. Now look at the magic. AI is telling me what kind of reaction videos can be made from this particular video. And the gold match rating out of 5. I think number 1 is good. Number 5 is also good, but I want to use number 1. So I'm going to type 1 and hit enter. And literally my job is done. I'm going to get a reaction video ready and I'm going to get traffic from this video and make money. Okay, now look at this. AI simply gave me the complete plan. Now I can read it, record myself, or I can use AI. And I'm going to use AI avatar. For that, I'll go to heygen.com. You can try it using my affiliate link in the description. I will click Launch AI Studio. But I need the full reaction transcript as one paragraph. Give me the full reaction script in one paragraph with proper punctuation. So I can copy and paste in AI voiceover creation softwares and AI video creation softwares to create avatar video. Go. It's coming. In a matter of seconds, it's done. Boom. I'm not going to copy this whole thing and I don't care. I'm going to click here and then I will use these first 2 AI avatars. Number 1, I will click here. Then I will click here and add another avatar. Then I will add another scene and I will basically add close shot and far shot alternatively. Then I will click here to place the transcript. Then I need to change the voice artist. AI voice artist, of course. I have trained my voice in 11 labs and this is it. Click here. Got it. I need to click this play video at least once for the text and video lengths to match. That's how Heygen works at the moment. I'm gonna play with the size of the avatars a little bit. Okay, I think we are done here. I will say Neil Patel and I love to put date. And then I will click submit. I like 30 FPS and then I will click submit. Now the AI avatar video is generating. I don't have to worry about it. While the avatar video is getting ready, we have a couple of steps to take as well. Either I need to download the video that I don't like to do. Instead, I prefer screencast record and to give the full credit to the original creator. Today, I'll be using Streamlabs for recording. It is a free software just like OBS. Just position your camera and your desktop. It looks good to me, yes. Well, the job is done. I've just recorded. This is how it looks like.
If I had to start over, this is how I learned digital marketing. The first platform that I would start on as a beginner.
I think this is good. Now I will need CapCut. And I also need to download my AI video, which looks like ready. Let's watch a little bit. Whoa! This right here is why most people never get traction online. Awesome. I'm gonna download. Make sure it is 1080p and download. In CapCut, I'll create a new project. I will drag and drop the two files. And now from my experience of making videos for the last couple of days, I know that my avatar video will be on the top layer and the original video will be at the bottom layer. And I also know that I'm going to need the original video, another copy in between the two layers. And this middle layer will always be silent. And I also know that I will need a couple of copies of the original video. I'm going to place them one by one and keep it here. That's it. I don't need to touch them right now. Now my avatar video should be on top. So I will click add and I will drag and drop it here. Now I need the reaction video plan in front of me, so I will put it on the left hand side. So my first reaction is from Wah to side hustles that failed. Let me first position my avatar video correctly. Looks good. It looks perfect now. I don't need to move it anymore. I want to listen to my avatar video, so I will make the other layers silent and listen. Whoa! This right here is why most people never get traction online. But this guy nailed it. Let me explain why this is so real, especially if you're stuck in a 9 to 5 or tried side hustles that failed. That's it. Stop here and I will slice it. Then I will slice the next one. It starts from yep, 100% agree to you post junk at first. Yep, 100% agree. Most platforms punish beginners, but X gives everyone a clean slate. Even if you post junk at first, we got the point. It's here and I want to slice by pressing C. The next one starts from that's huge to start getting attention. That's huge. You don't need to be perfect. You just need one good post. That's all it takes to start getting attention. That's it. I'm going to slice it by pressing C. And the next cut will be after save time, build trust. Exactly. This is how I help people use just one piece of content to dominate across 3 to 4 platforms. Saves time, builds trust. Perfect positioning, press C. The next cut will be after just trust and results. This is where most people mess up. They either promote the wrong stuff or do it too early. I teach a way to do this with done-for-you systems. No tech, no spam, just trust and results. Yep. I'm gonna press C and then move to the next one. The last one is the last one. So basically, the last few words should be just see if it fits you. Bio, no pressure, just see if it fits you. Good one. I'll keep it as is. Now I have done my slicing. The first is my hook. After my hook, Neil Patel's video starts after my hook. So I'm going to drag and drop it at the end of my first cut. Then I will allow Neil Patel to speak up to peak X.
If I had to start over, this is how I learned digital marketing. The first platform that I would start on as a beginner is actually social media, and I would pick X.
I think this is where we need to cut it. Just press C. Yeah, I got it. This is the place. Done. Then I need to cut again. I will cut after it will still go viral on X.
X has a unique thing about their algorithm that most other social platforms don't have. If you post 20-30 times on X and most of your content's junk, X doesn't care. The moment you post something that's really good, it'll do well and they'll show it to most of the people on the platform. On the flip side, on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, if you post junk 15-20 times and then you post something that's really good, the good piece of content doesn't do that well because their algorithm
I think I missed it. I need to go back.
Has a unique thing about their algorithm that most other social platforms don't have. If you post 20-30 times on X and most of your content's junk, X doesn't care. The moment you post something that's really good, it'll do well and they'll show it to most of the people on the platform.
Done. I think this is where we need to stop. And we slice it here. Then the next cut will be post them on other platforms.
Flip side, on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, if you post junk 15, 20 times and then you post something that's really good, the good piece of content doesn't do that well because
Okay, I found it and click see. And now we have the complete blueprint. Now my second reaction clip will be at the end of first original clip. And my third one will be at the end of drag these originals, put them at the end of my reaction. And my third reaction will be at the end of this clip. Now bring all the rest of the originals at the end of my video. Then put my third video at the end of the next clip of Hill Patel. Then drag this one right here. Then put this reaction here at the end of this clip. So it's time to do a review. Whoa! This right here is why most people never get traction online. But this guy nailed it. Let me explain why this is so real, especially if you're stuck in a 9 to 5 or tried side hustles that failed.
If I had to start over, this is how I learned digital marketing. The first platform that I would start on as a beginner is actually social media, and I would pick X.
Yep, 100% agree. Most platforms punish beginners, but X gives everyone a clean slate. Even if you post junk at first.
X has a unique thing about their algorithm that most other social platforms don't have. If you post 20, 30 times on X and most of your content's junk, X doesn't care. The moment you post something that's really good, it'll do well and they'll show it to most of the people.
I think I should bring it right here and put this reaction of mine right here because this will be correct. And after my reaction starts the next one.
Is junk. So when you post on X, you'll see what's getting engagement. Take those pieces, create more full blown out articles or videos from them, and then post them on X. And then if it does well, post them on the other social platforms.
That's huge. You don't need to be perfect. You just need one good post. That's all it takes to start getting attention. Good one. It looks like good one.
When you do that, you'll start figuring out what does well. Then from there, as you're starting getting traction, start adding in call to actions for products or services that you're selling, or be affiliate for other people's products and services, and start generating sales.
Exactly. This is how I help people use just one piece of content to dominate across 3 to 4 platforms. Okay, looks good. Saves time, builds trust. So yeah, what he said is fire. But if you're someone who's tried before and failed, it's not your fault. You didn't have the right system. That's what changed everything for me. If you're curious, I put the link in the bio. No pressure. This is where most people mess up. They either promote the wrong stuff or do it too early. I teach a way to do this with done-for-you systems. No tech, no spam, just trust and... I think this part is not important as well, but still we can put it right here and see how it goes. Builds trust. This is where most people mess up. They either promote the wrong stuff or do it too early. I teach a way to do this with done-for-you systems. No tech, no spam, just trust and results. So yeah, what he said is fire. But if you're someone who's tried before and failed, it's not your fault. You didn't have the right system. That's what changed everything for me. If you're curious, I put the link in the bio. No pressure, just see if it fits you. Looks okay to me. So I'm going to cut the remaining extra pieces. It is complete for me, so I'm just going to click export. Put a name, select the right folder. Resolution should be 1080p, bitrate recommended, code H.264, format MP4, frame rate 30 FPS. Just export. Okay guys, the video is ready. Let's go and watch. Whoa! This right here is why most people never get traction online. But this guy nailed it. Let me explain why this is so real, especially if you're stuck in a 9 to 5 or tried side hustles that failed.
If I had to start over, this is how I learned digital marketing. The first platform that I would start on as a beginner is actually social media, and I would pick X. X has a unique thing about their algorithm that most other social platforms don't have. If you post 20, 30 times on X and most of your content's junk, X doesn't care. The moment you post something that's really good, it'll do well and they'll show it to most of the people on the platform.
Yep, 100% agree. Most platforms punish beginners, but X gives everyone a clean slate. Even if you post junk at first.
The flip side, on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, if you post junk 15, 20 times and then you post something that's really good, the good piece of content doesn't do that well because their algorithms have been trained that most of your content is junk. So when you post on X, you'll see what's getting engagement. Take those pieces, create more full blown out articles or videos from them, and then post them on X. And then if it does well, post them on the other social platforms.
That's huge. You don't need to be perfect. You just need one good post. That's all it takes to start getting attention.
When you do that, you'll start figuring out what does well. Then from there, as you're starting getting traction, start adding in call to actions for products or services that you're selling, or be affiliate for other people's products and services, and start generating sales.
Exactly. This is how I help people use just one piece of content to dominate across 3 to 4 platforms. Saves time, builds trust. This is where most people mess up. They either promote the wrong stuff or do it too early. I teach a way to do this with done-for-you systems. No tech, no spam, just trust and results. So yeah, what he said is fire. But if you're someone who's tried before and failed, it's not your fault. You didn't have the right system. That's what changed everything for me. If you're curious, I put the link in the bio. No pressure, just see if it fits you. Looks good to me. So now, instead of watching other people's content and helping them make money, we actually made our content. We are going to get traffic and we are going to make money, inshallah. Now it is your turn. You can do it all by yourself, or if you think you need our help, go to moshbari.com, scan this QR code, watch this training, and simply join the program. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.